Hello, parents, family, and guardians. Thank you for joining us today as we go through the Google Classroom for completing and submitting student work. Let's get started. So you're on the Exceed 5A homepage, and the first place you want to go is to Classwork. Once you are here, you will see the Week at a Glance up top, as well as the different topics that your student is a part of. You can access all of the work pages by scrolling down, and they are sorted by category, or you can just navigate to one topic over here on the left. So let's start with math. When you click on math, it brings you to the math page. You will see a brief preview of each assignment and all of the assignments on this page if you scroll down. So let's take a look at the first one here. I can go into the assignment by clicking the title of the assignment, and when your cursor is over it, you'll see it lights up orange. So now we are in the assignment, which is the quiz for Friday 4-3. Here you will see directions as well as any forms, videos, and other links you will need to complete the assignment. When you click on one of the materials that you'll need, you'll see the title also light up orange. You can click on it and it will open a new tab. So up top here, you will still have the original tab in Google Classroom, and as you click on each item that you will need for the assignment, it opens up a new tab. So to complete the assignment, you will go through each question, marking the answer as you go. If it's multiple choice, you could just click on a bubble. If there are answers that require short response, you would type them in. As soon as you have answered all of the questions, you can hit submit. Now, if you skipped a question, this red warning sign will pop up that this is a required question, prompting you to go back and complete. Once everything is done, you can press submit, and it will send your responses to your teachers. You will then see this submission page saying that your response has successfully been submitted and marked as done. Let's take a look at now how to navigate to the ELA work. So on this original classwork page, I'm going to navigate over to the ELA topic. When I click on that, it brings me to all of the current ELA assignments. So taking a look at this first assignment, when I click on the title, it brings me now into the actual assignment itself. Similar to the math assignment page, on the ELA assignment, you will see directions, Google Forms to answer the questions, and the text itself. So you want to open up the text in one tab. When you click on the PDF, it will open the text itself on the Google Classroom page, or you can right-click it and press Open Link in New Tab. So now you have your reading right here. Going back to the Google Classrooms tab, you want to open up the Google Form questions, which automatically opens a new tab. So now you can navigate back and forth between the reading and the questions. Once you have read the text and answer all of the questions, you can press submit and it will send your responses to your teachers. Now, once you are completely done with all parts of the assignment, you answered all Google Form questions, you want to hit in this Turn In button. This button is what is going to send to your teachers that you're completely done with the assignment. And right now it says missing in the top right corner, but if I press Turn In, and yes, I'm sure I am completely done, I want to turn in, you will see the button change to unsubmit because I've already submitted, and the top right corner will say turned in. Now, since this assignment was due on March 30th, it says turned in late, but hopefully you are completing your work every single day on time, and it will say turned in. Once you have submitted an assignment, you always want to go back the next day to check for feedback. So let's navigate now how to find that feedback. Let's take a look at this previous assignment from March 31st. When I go into the assignment itself, I will find a private comment from my teacher. So the feedback says, "Nice main idea, Jot. Make sure to always include evidence from the text to support your claim." So now I know from my work today, I need to focus on including evidence because that's the feedback I got from yesterday. If you'd like to respond to the feedback, ask a question, or simply say hello, you can do so in the box underneath. When you press this send button, it will respond to the private message that only you and your teacher can see. Thank you so much for watching today, learning how to access the work, submit it, and check for feedback. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. Thank you.